In this channel, we will make Japanese baby food that is focused on baby's health and sense of food in the future. I want to share this with you. Let's make it! Hello Mama, nice to see you again. I'm Kana. Today we are gonna make carrot puree. This is the first stage baby food. It's great for 5 to 6 months baby. Carrots are called Ninjin in Japanese, and the root vegetable and then perfect healthy food. Carrots are popular for baby food. Also, they taste sweeter when it's boiled. Carrots have a lot of healthy benefits. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene. Their carotene antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Carrot is important to help baby get stronger. Carrot has a lot of color, so it will be enjoyable for babyhood. Carrot puree for baby food is so simple. First we peel skin. Yellow carrot is so colorful too. This is white carrot. I cut it to small pieces. I leave the roots. I will use it for baby-led weaning. Put them into the pan. Okay. Then I add water. I add water when it cover it. I cut this like a stick. I'm gonna use it for baby-led weanings. So baby can chew in, and then baby can feel what is that for the food. So it's good for baby education. So we're gonna boil this, and then we're gonna steam this. Bring it to a boil with overheat. I cover it. Okay, it's start to boil. So I'm gonna make lower heat. And it boiled like 15 minutes. So rice main meal is rice porridge right now. So I freeze the rice porridge and then I defrost with the steam with the pot. So looks like this. It's already steamed and it's soft. So I'm gonna put the carrot stick in here. And I'm gonna steam it together. It takes like 3 or 4 minutes, and then I wanna keep like this hard because when it gets too soft, baby accidentally throw it. So I don't wanna do that. So maybe 3 or 4 minutes is gonna be okay for the steam. Okay, it gets soft. So we leave here. I move the carrots in the bowl. And some soup. I'm gonna use a hand blender today. I think I'm gonna add more soup to make smooth. Okay, it's done, so I'm gonna So I have this for today's lazy meal. And then let's open it too. So today I made a lot. So I'm gonna make Japanese dressing using the rest of this. So I show you how to do it. So I'm gonna add olive oil and vinegar and some sugar and soy sauce and salt and the last black pepper. I just measure by myself, but I'm gonna put this Japanese dressing recipe in the description, so please read it and check it. Okay, like this. How's the taste? It's good. Iただきます。いただきます。はや、Let's just walk up. おはようね。上手に飲めるようになったね。じゃあ飲ませてね。じゃん。I mix with carrot. 人参だよ、人参。じゃん。おいしい？みたい。人参おいしい。It's good? I give him the carrot stick for baby led reading. みーちゃんこれなんだ？なんだろうこれ。はい。これもね、ちょっと舐める。ああ、やばい大事。水にかかった？どう？I am interesting. どうかな？AG じゃあオレンジ one. This is the orange one. Same color as your clothes. こっちはどう？みーちゃんこっちは？どうも。AGごっくん、ごっくん、おいしい？はい、もう一個食べる。さあ、ごちそうさましよう。ごちそうさまでした。美味しかったね。Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try salad with Japanese carrots dressing. It's really good. The taste is so good. The carrot is so sweet, and the soy sauce and the olive oil is mild. I like it. Okay, today we made a carrot puree for first stage baby food. Yeah, I think Ray really like it. Before I tried the winter squash and potato, and then his face like But today carrot he show up the smile from the first moment, so I think he liked it. And the carrot is the most popular food, baby food in Japan, and I researched USA is the #1 popular baby food flavor, the carrot. So I think it's easy to try. I feel like I should try the first vegetable for the carrots. So I think it's easy to try. Also, I introduced my Japanese carrot dressing, which was so good too. So say again, but I'm gonna that recipe I'm gonna write in the description. So please check it if you want. So I'm gonna make more Japanese baby food. So let's try it together. So thank you for watching. See you next time.